Just looking at 4852 dual head piston filler. This is running off of 110 volt and some compressed air, just on a small compressor. We've got this set to do as close to 15 mil as we can get. Well, without trying too hard to dial it in. So that's our 15 mil fill there. Let's check our weight. So 14.8 on that one. 14.8 on that one. Oh, 15 on that one, depending on the accuracy of our scale. So very close. Everything's looking in pretty clean shape. Nice plug valves on the end to keep it from dripping. Foot pedal operated right now. Any questions, give us a call, 604-425-2002.